In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll go from a quick Google search to creating a fresh page in Notion and adding a video block step by step, so you can follow along without missing anything. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Notion. You're looking for the official result that says Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. Always double-check the web address. It should be Notion So or Notion.com, which ensures you're on the legitimate site. Click that result to open Notion's homepage. On the top right, select Login. Choose the sign-in method you normally use and proceed. The exact screen may vary depending on whether you've signed in before, but the process is straightforward. If you land in a workspace selector, just continue into the workspace where you want to create the page. Once you're in Notion, create a new page. Look to the left sidebar and click New Page. If the sidebar is collapsed, hover near the left edge or use the toggle to reveal it. A blank page opens so you can start building. Click into the large title area at the top and type a clear, descriptive title. A good title makes the page easier to find later and sets context for anyone you share it with. Next, click into the body of the page below the title. This is where your content lives. You'll often see a hint that says type for commands. Now, in the body, type /video. The / command opens Notion's command palette and filters it to video-related options. This is the fastest way to add the correct block without scrolling through menus. From the menu that appears, click Video. Notion will insert a video block onto your page. From here, you can paste a link from services like YouTube or Vimeo, or choose to upload a file from your device, depending on what you prefer and what your plan allows. Make sure the source video is accessible and that you have permission to share it. That's it. You searched for Notion, opened the official site, logged in, created a new page, added a title, clicked into the body, used the video shortcut, and inserted the video block. You're ready to continue customizing the page and organizing your content with confidence.